Dr. Hafiz Fazlur Rahman, native to Kollam. A towering personality, our basketball superstar, who is a captain of MES team, friendly, outspoken person with an exceptional organization skills, and the author of 3 examination manuals, which have been a great help to all his juniors. Dr. Hasina Hassan CK from Malappuram district. Symbol, kind-natured person who is hardworking to core and helpful to all. Dr. Irshad, native to Malappuram. Is a person with humble, down-to-earth, friendly and cheerful attitude. Dr. Jabir Mustafa, CP, residing at Malappuram. An intellectual who is known for his witty sarcasm and friendly, frank nature.
Dr. Jayakrishnan MP, coming from Kannur. Our gentle giant, lovingly known as JK, an intellectual popular for his charming smile and friendly nature. He's an excellent sportsman, volleyball being his main forte. Dr. Jean K. Babu hails from Kottayam. He is a calm and composed person known for his humble nature and was the editor-in-chief of one of the finest college magazines we ever had. Dr. Jerry Joseph, native to the cultural capital of Kerala. A jovial person who believes that a smile can turn the world round. He is friendly and popular among his peers. Dr. Jibin CP, coming from Malappuram. He is a smart, stylish and bold person. Dr. Julna A. Hometown is Malappuram. She is a helpful character, also known for her chubby and cute looks. Dr. Junaid Usman from Malappuram. An honest, gentle and sincere person with a friendly nature. He is defined by his God-fearing attitude. Dr. Karthika Rudrakumar from the cultural capital of Kerala. A beautiful and fun-loving girl who can make every moment you spend with her a wonderful experience. She also has a fair academic record. Dr. Kebi Bashir, native to Kollam. A jolly, fun-loving person with a frank attitude. Dr. Lakshmi Mohan K. Hometown is Ernakulam. She is a brilliant artist and singer. She is defined by her calm, down-to-earth character and dedication to the field of study. Dr. M. Abin Suraj, who hails from Kollam. He is a mature personality, an intellectual and a good team player.
Dr. Manju M. Gopal of Calicut. A joyful, smart character with a good sense of humor yet responsible attitude. Dr. Meera Sudhindran, coming from Idukki. She is a confident soul who believes in her views firmly. She also has a good academic record to her credit. Dr. Mida PK, whose hometown is Kannur. She is the pet of the batch for her cute looks and pleasing, helpful character. Dr. Muhammad Amin, who hails from Malappuram. He is the college football team star goalkeeper and a good cricketer. He is also owner of a sincere, humble, hard-working attitude. Dr. Muhammad Bashir, native of Mahi. He was the college sports captain, a jovial, free-spirited soul who is one of the star athletes of the batch and college. Dr. Muhammad Bashar, who hails from Kollam. He is an epitome of hard work, sincerity and discipline with a distinct passion for painting. Dr. Muhammad Feroz, coming from Trivandrum. He is an enthusiastic volleyball player with a charming, sincere attitude. His jovial, happy-go-lucky attitude also deserves mention. Dr. Muhammad Jasil of Kottayam district. An outstanding cricketer who served as the captain of the college cricket team. Besides, he is a simple, friendly individual with a helpful attitude. Dr. Muhammad Shafiq, native of Trivandrum. He is a confident, hardworking, efficient individual. Dr. Muhammad Sharif, who resides at Edapal. He is an innocent, helpful, sincere, hardworking and cheerful person.
Dr. Mufsil PP, coming from Calicut district. He is a gifted football player and a popular figure of the batch. Dr. Muhammad Ashraf V, hailing from Malappuram. A smart, cheerful and a true-hearted individual who is sincere and hardworking. Dr. Nabil Thail, native to Malappuram. He is defined by his smart, fun-loving and jovial character. Dr. Nadeem Abuti, whose hometown is Kannur. He is the favorite commentator of all the sports events at MAS Medical College. His sincere, humorous, lovable nature and the unmatched leadership quality makes him a true jewel of the batch. Dr. Nasiha N hails from Perinthal. She is a cool and jovial, smart, and believes in remaining the same always. Dr. Nawaz P, who resides at Malappuram. He is a smart individual and an outstanding football player. Dr. Nazira Ahmed Hussain, coming from the cultural capital of Kerala. She is a good-hearted soul with a joyful, innocent attitude. Dr. Nimya Gopal, coming from Calicut district. Her pleasant, vibrant, and the efficient character does not require any special mention. Dr. Nuseba, hailing from Malappuram. She is well known for her mature, easygoing, and realistic attitude. Dr. Nusrat V, coming from Malappuram. She has maintained excellent academic records throughout her career. Her confident and friendly nature also deserves a special mention.
Dr. Pallikut Soni Narayan is a native of Calicut district. Beauty, elegance, and passion for studies defines her. Dr. Razil Ahmad KK, hailing from Malappuram. He is a talented, skillful, efficient, and enthusiastic organizer.